Hey everybody, it's Erle here. I'm just thinking about the symposiums coming up June the 3rd and 4th in Nashville. So here's the top 5 reasons why you should come this year. Number 1, you will leave with new ideas and a business framework. And so one of the elements that we need to discuss as an industry is we have to standardize our thinking in terms of procedures, policies, how we build our facilities, everything that's related to the fulfillment, the manufacturing of these orders that are coming in from digital channels everywhere. Number 2, you will leave with a better understanding of your technology stack. This is a big one. There are partnerships, there's platforms, there are many decisions to make in the design. Your CRM, your loyalty, your point of sale, your back office, your off-premise system, your catering system, your takeout, your delivery, etc. So you're going to learn about that. Number 3, the networking. And I love this part about the symposium because every year I meet new people, the opportunities, the friendships, and the camaraderie that takes place, and the business opportunities that open up for everybody who's there. 4, I want to talk about the certified supply chain partners that you will meet. As a food service operator, you need suppliers that are understanding the business strategy, and you will meet certified supply chain partners who are certified through the Catering Institute. And the 5th thing, you should come to get re-energized, to step out and come and experience something that will hopefully inspire you so that you will feel re-energized. You'll have a huge impact on your company. So come to the symposium, June 3rd and 4th in Nashville. See you there.